People walk, go on. You don't know in a media facts, you know. You see me? Comfortable for not talk trash. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. You don't know. I can see the thumbnail. Alkaline. Is what me try to say. Yeah, man, Alkaline do a great move. The man keep him on a show all over the world. Great look for the culture. You see me? Dancehall is a good look. You see me? He recently dropped a flyer. So when I was out in Jamaica, you see me? I think about July the 6th or something. People. And this is the thing, you know. We know a lot of people that do rate him, but him talent and him impact and the people them and him fans them always show say, yo, he's a great artist. You see me? I don't care what nobody wants to say. This is what I try to say. So all of them little chatty and one bag of thing, it don't make no sense. You see it? Because look here, the youth are keep him show UK, him have one in Canada, then him have go Jamaica. Yo, Alkaline is young, you know. You see it? And him first show him keep, he was very, very young. You understand? I think in him 20s. You see it, him over 30s, you know. See him? So, all that situation there. The man, I do big moves. You see it? Big move the man I do. You see me? Because remember, enough artists, they really do them something. Yeah. You see me? And not saying, because sometimes I hear some people that talk about, yeah, we have to do this, I'm not getting no bookings. You know why they must say that? Because Alkaline is not their artist and they not keep track of Alkaline thing. See? So Alkaline a book right through. The man a get bookings. You understand? The man a get bookings. You see it? Just to some people not tune in or whatever, but you don't know when I care now. But Alkaline a do great moves, man. Great move the man a do. You see me? And if he has a young youth, you see me? Young youth, I do this. Finally me younger too. You see me? It's a great look. You see it? It's not a normal look this. So all of you them talk. It's just a situation where he might do him thing and people don't like it, people are gonna hate and all of them look at something. People always are gonna hate you. You see me? People always are gonna hate you and things. So all of them talk. It don't make no sense. Cause them hate the road for no reason. You see me? Yeah. Or dream about a certain man or whatsoever. You see me? Cause maybe if Alkaline they bout, them would give no ratings. You see it? Yes, people. So Alkaline do him thing and they might try to make it look like they're not great move Alkaline and make it, see me? But it's still you not laugh up and gig on roadside and chat and chip chat with people. You understand? And that's why they rate the youth. Should you not bow and say this or say rate the money or special ratings? That's one of the thing. You see me? And Alkaline and him thing. He might do great moves. You see it? Cause and every artist I do this. You see me? Him and would say Popcorn, I do them something here. I keep them show all over the world. You see it? Popcorn, move him go UK. You see me? We did there Jamaica, Alkaline they all about. Alkaline they Canada, UK, Jamaica, in the US, Florida, New York. You see what I'm trying to say? A lot of places I put him show. And you not asking no credit, you not asking no flowers or what, you just a damn thing. You see me? Them call up him name every day. But the more them hate the youth, you see me, the more them get powerful. You see me? Because when you check it, them don't really hate the youth for no reason. Because the reason why them not rate Alkaline are because him not too bow down to cartel or whatsoever, you see me? You know, cartel are them king and them this and them that, and so some of my artists them put them career on foot and all can do it. That's why them not rate the youth. You see me? Because who if you rate a youth, who not talk about him copy and one bag of thing, ask cartel who him copy about. You see me? But the youth do great things. You see it? Yeah man, great things the youth do. So all them go and talk, them just a chat. You see me? And this to me is history. You see me? History. Because none of them not do it like the youth. None of them not do it. None of them not show we keep worldwide. So when them see them something, it burn them. You see me? It burn them. You see it? Great move this. Years Alkaline do this. And the youth impactful too. You see me? Because a lot of things him do where people call back on it. You see me? I see all artists use all this song when him do for the artist and I beat the artist. You see me? So many times I just say, yo, if you not hate a man, hate him for a reason, man. Don't hate him because him not sure respect or bow down to another man. You understand? Because no man no own no rights to no things do human doings or whatever, brother. You can't copyright that. You see me? You can't copyright. You see it? Just because the others are people that do it, him not do it. You understand? Because we not put everything on one man foot. But Alkaline beat them bad with the show them. You see me? Alkaline beat them bad with the show them. Yeah man, great move Alka. You see it and more to forward. Maybe soon don't you go see one in Australia or you see over, especially over Africa there. You see me? Yeah man, you must see one over there so too. You see it? And in some of them like a small island here too. You see me? Yeah man, a great move man. You see it? And that a woman a rate. And look a young youth and do him thing out there in the world, and because him not give this a man in a ratings, who not gonna beat him or whatsoever. You understand? A great movies for the culture. You see me? A good look this for the culture this. You understand? Good look. And him sure keep a Jamaica that good too. You see me? So I'm not going like say yo, sometime if you think and pray say yo, this is a good look for the culture. But no. So man no bow down to a man or whatsoever, them not gonna rate him. But that's how it go. Anyway, take it and still gonna get beaten. You see me? That's the thing. I'm not rate alcohol for nothing. You understand? But it show you how people stay ready still. But no matter what, Alkaline I go do him thing same way. You see it? Yeah man, the youth I go do him thing same way, man. You see me? All over the world. You change the game. Change the game. Kick down barriers every little thing, cause they usually have artists I bring up on stage and I do one bag of thing, and Alkaline found out and say, look here, me I do my own thing, and so where youth reach, just three youth and on social media trace or cuss with people or show them lifestyle and all of them look something, you see me? So that bond them. You see me, them don't know. You see if them didn't know Alkaline business, it would have been better. But through them don't know, and the youth now right now if Alkaline walk in a half tree and start giving man $100. Cause it's easy to buy out, you know. Start give someone $100, you will see the difference. Actually them can't say Alka for beg Alka no money. You see me? And that's why some of them rate the youth, cause so them easy to buy out, you know. You see me? But the youth are them thing, and them shows them a very good thing. You see me? So all of them attack. I'm just a chat and hate. But when you hate for a reason, man. You see? Hate for a reason. And when not talk facts. You see me? Cause I'll not talk about youth fall off. You know make no sense. If your artist fall off and still call him name in 2025, it don't make no sense. You see me? You just not add up. The youth are the big hit song. Blanco, everything. You see me? Fans, everything. People are singing music, people are put up in music. See already Nicki Minaj posting music. My music will drop a long time for sure. You. She could have choose any other artist. But she chose that. You see me? But it show you. I just life. And people are gonna always hate and all them look at something so. So my time I hear them attack. Until you pay them no mind, you know. You see me? But Alkaline are doing thing. It's a great, it's a good look. This I tell you, the show they go ram. You see, the show they go full keep in Jamaica. The UK one worse cause I think about 8. I think about 8 years. Yeah. About 8 or 9 years, you know, go over there, you see me? So UK people are nice right now. And the tickets soon sell, cause last time you know 3% worth of ticket left. So it's a good look. You see me? Yeah man, it's a good look that man. You see it? And them have a couple shows them have to do him get booked for same speed. Alkaline a million him now worry about nobody. You understand? Him now look old, nobody don't know him life. They don't know why woman, they don't know if him have children. I saw you figure. The less people know your life, the less them have power over you. You see me? Cause I'm not putting business out there. You see me? Right now nobody don't know where Alkaline live. You see it? I tell you, they don't know where him live. You see it? They don't know where him live. And a good thing you would do. You would move like a superstar. You see it? Yeah man, no yip and no yap with nobody, cause so you think set, you know. You see sometime in life, when you sit down and yip up with people and all of them things that, you see me, them try to disrespect them, look how they, you see me? So the youth as an artist name, stay in them one lane. You see, Alkaline I first artist me ever see when I do social media, no in a nothing. And them call up him and name, so most the people when I meet them now call up for them name. So you know, imagine you don't see a brother. You know, see him on road and all of them something that the youth name call up all the while for sure, you say. At the hate, but look at the hate to promote him too. You see me? So the more clickbait, the more comments, every little thing. It make the youth think powerful and you don't even know. So anything the youth post or people posting on the media, them have something to say. You see it? But it make the youth get stronger. You see it? Yeah man, it make you get stronger, man, cause it do great moves. All of them show you in a 1 year. It's a good look. And a boy if you keep showing, you know. You understand? And a boy if you keep show. Worse all over the world. I understand if I did Jamaica alone, but if you keep it all over the world and a boy thing, you have to have a great team to do that. So when you hear them attack some time, it even make no sense. Can't I hate for no reason. If you but people have to like, share and subscribe, you know, so you see me? Yeah man. Great good look for the culture. Without him shows and every little thing. Yeah man, it's a good look. You see it? So some time when you see people that hate talking at the comment and every little thing, you know say alright. Just hate them and hate the youth. I'm telling you in life, when you do great things, people are gonna hate you. That's how you go. They don't want to see you rise. You see it? Yeah man, they don't want to see you rise, none at all. So sometimes when you see people that do things and things are going for them, and you see bad mind, them don't want your success. And that's how you think it. You see it? Cause you see if everybody did that do it, it wouldn't be like this. But your Alkaline alone do it. I keep him own a show all across over the world. They want hate, they want criticize and every little thing. But they might promote him same way. You see me, cause if you're not saying fall off, you should just make him fall off and stay down there then. Don't bring him up in a nothing. You see me? But you show you see some of them when you say I hate, they rate Alkaline too, you know. Yeah man, they rate Alkaline. But then they rate him behind the doors. You see, cause If they fall out and say Alkaline in public, they know they might get backlash. Some of them rate Alkaline just the black backlash. And that's why, you see me? Yeah, man. Treat backlash thing, that's why. So some of the time, when they hear them attack and all sort of thing, it don't make no sense. You see me? Yeah, man. So, I'll hear them go and talk and shit and EP up. It don't make no sense, man. I want back a crap them attack. You see, but when you see the Alkaline show them, they'll get a good turnout. You see me? Good turnout. The one that followed up in the UK, they have a wait, man. Them are go see. Them are go see it in a OVO, Wembley Stadium, just arena, just wait. At them time, them have a ball, like that me I tell you. Just wait, man. Wait till you touch down in the UK, you're not going to see what going on. You see me? You're not going to see what going on. That's someone just attack and nonsense. You see it? The youth do it for the culture. Do it for the culture. You see it? Imagine the youth keep him show all over the world, in Japan, all of them look a place there. It's a good look for the youth. And that me I tell you. You see me? That would have the good look. You see it? The youth have great moves. Rate them move too. You see me? As someone for move militant. Man, if they on media trace and feel like them obligated for say things and they had this a party and rave them talk about mingle with fans. Like, come on. Look on the big artists them. The only time they mingle with them fans are when them on stage and perform. Not about mingle. We don't want Alkaline to go up and sit down on corner and play that, you know. And that you know what man leverage low. For them disrespecting on the street. Nah, sick man. Nonsense, man. Alkaline, do what you do, brother. You see me? Do your thing. Yeah, man. So you have to move. Superstar moment. You see me? What with them people? One people in the street every day. They saw them. There is a party. Then they saw them this. No. We don't have time for that. I go up on stage and I perform interact with the fans. You see me? Say them want to say another them cutting there. If they want to hear from me, just singing my music. But with it kind of business to sit down and play, that mean walk up and down. That not make no sense. You see me, you water down, you degrade your value as an artist, man. You see me? Yeah, man, people. So, they just hate the youth with a unnecessary hate. Like, we don't really hate the youth, you see me? But the more them hate, the more the youth get powerful and turn him into somebody we love. You see me? Because hate make the youth just stay to himself, and not even realize. And the more they stay to himself, and more them call his name. You see me? Because I'm one of the artists, you're number one, most hated artist. You see me in Jamaica right now, so youth get powerful, but the same fans them we hate. Some of them even going event too. Enough of them if you ever find out about them being in a party. You see me? Yeah, man. So some of the time we hear them attack. I don't hate them, they just not no choice. You see it? Yeah, man, they not no choice, man. But people, they don't know, you know. Alkaline had a big move and big up the database, you see me? Yeah, man. Big event, them, new rules. Yeah, man. That is it.